How's it going, guys? Adam from Clayton Off-Road, and today we're going to be talking about our 1999 through 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee WJ steering system. So as shown here, this kit will be available in a complete kit, a tie rod, and a drag link. There will be an option for a drag link with a flip kit setup, or you can buy all the individual pieces if you just want the aluminum links. So these links are made out of 70-75 T651 aluminum. It's 1 3/8 solid, and it's drilled and tapped for the factory end links. So you can buy these kits complete with new links, or you can buy just the bars and reuse what you currently have on your WJ if you've already upgraded them. The only minor change is this steering stabilizer mount. This is available separately or part of the system. This just clamps around the tube. They are left hand and right hand adjustable with these keyways, so you can easily spin them to set your steering wheel positioning and the toe in and toe out on your lower. Check the website for more details and pricing, and let us know if you have any other questions. Thank you.